Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add extra baggage in Lufthansa. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to lufthansa.com. On the home page, look for and click on My Bookings. Then click on the Manage Bookings option. You'll be prompted to log in to your account or enter your booking details. If you don't have account, simply enter your 6-character alphanumeric booking code and your last name. After logging in or entering your details, locate the option that says Add Baggage. Depending on your fare class, you'll see different options. If you're on Economy Light, you can add one item of checked baggage for a fee. If you're on economy class, you might get a discounted second bag on select routes. Select the baggage option you want and proceed to pay online. Alternatively, you can add and pay for extra baggage at the airport check-in counter. And that's it. That's how you add extra baggage in Lufthansa. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.